Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Issaplease, and welcome back to my channel.
I really wish I had the patience to make an intro, but I don't, so enjoy this one.
If it's your first time here, then I hope that you guys like me enough to stick around to watch more videos, and of course to join the By Hana fam. If you don't already know, I'm the potato behind By Hana, which is a show on By TV. Catch me every Wednesday. I talk about women's stuff and all that good things in life, but on this channel personally it's just like my life and everything that's happening in between it, and it's the channel where I don't like to take a bath and put makeup on. So yesterday was Valentine's Day. I had a really awesome date with my hubba, and I wanted to show you guys what we did. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys had an amazing Valentine's as well. I hope you guys like it. 3, 2, 1. Meat spot.
So I don't want to be met.
I think it's already dead, honestly. So this is what we have for breakfast, and then I toasted it. I did not know that you could not toast croissants for more than 5 minutes. So, burnt croissants it is. We are currently on our way to Karkar. We have a cafe over there. It's called Cafe Terraza, and Paulo and I are gonna be there for Valentine's Day. We are releasing a brand new product. It's a burger that Paulo and his sister have worked very hard on, and I'm going to be there helping. This is actually our very first Valentine's together as a married couple. Hey guys, so we are currently at Cafe Terraza here in Karkar, and it's the roof deck of RRG building right by the Karkar Rotonda. See, this is our view. Ta-da! And you get like this really pretty view of the city while you're here. So this is actually Paulo's cafe, and of course I'm helping him out. And today's Valentine's Day, and we have a bunch of Valentine's specials, and so I'm over here helping him out. Hi, Chris. That's our supervisor. That's Christy. We love her. So guys, I'm here at the back. Naposikot sa kitchen, and ako po ay tagahugas ng pinggan because it's like my only skill in the kitchen. So I'm washing dishes right now. Muna guys, today I'm washing the dishes, and I'm serving, and then I'm keeping the food, and then I'm helping market and take down orders. Ilanghay ko magsaba-saba ha kay yung ganahan mo ana ang mga bisita ma'am sa munisyo diri. I actually wanted to come back, so chill lang ta behind the scenes, and then yeah, muna siya. Hi Chris. So muna siya guys. Yeah. So guys, it's starting to fill up. Sinaka-on na ang light. Now we have guests over. Amazing Paulo, man. We love him. I love you, Paulo. GGB na po kami dito. Guys, it is currently 10:45. Nakatapal na po sa ka-drink. Kaya nasayop ko. Cheers! I'm so tired, but I'm so happy because this was a really fulfilling Valentine's for me. Like, just being able to see everyone's reactions, and I was so happy because someone even recognized me, like, Isa, by Hana? And I was like, oh my god! I was so happy about that. And I was just so happy, like, seeing people coming to our cafe because they really liked their food, even if medyo dugay good siya, because like we're not a fully functioning kitchen. We are really just a cafe. But people still wanted to come to our cafe for like the food, and they liked the burgers that we made. So I was really happy about that. It really was super fulfilling, and it means a lot to me to be able to help my husband in his business, which is technically our business, and it was really a dream of mine to be able to help him, and I really like it. Like, I can't imagine myself doing anything else on Valentine's Day, so I really appreciate being able to be here and help him. Now I'm just lying down. I was really tired. tell everyone Happy Valentine's Day from my mama and me and my papa, from our little family. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna cut the vlog right now. We're gonna end the vlog on a happy note, and I hope that you guys had an amazing Valentine's Day as well. I hope that you got to spend it with the people that you love. But even if you spent it alone, the important thing is that you love yourself and that you're happy. Kaya sa may post, mag-date-date ka, o di ka malipay yun sa mga date, diba? So I hope that you just had a wonderful day. And don't forget that Valentine's isn't just like telling people that you love them isn't just for your Valentine's Day. So always take the opportunity to tell the people you love that you love them, alright? And I'll catch you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe to this channel and to follow me on my socials. My socials are Issaplease. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!